Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tech tips. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Lapbook SE 13.3-inch Win 10 Intel Gemini-Lake N4100 laptop. This powerful and sleek notebook is equipped with a backlit keyboard, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of ROM, making it the perfect device for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient laptop. The Lapbook SE is designed to meet all your computing needs, whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or simply looking for a high-quality laptop for everyday use. The Intel Gemini-Lake N4100 processor ensures smooth and lag-free performance, even when handling multiple tasks at once. With a stunning 13.3-inch display, you can enjoy crisp and vibrant visuals for work or entertainment. The backlit keyboard allows you to work late into the night without straining your eyes, while the ample storage space of 64 GB ensures that you never have to worry about running out of space for your important files and documents. But what truly sets the Lapbook SE apart is its ultra-portable design, weighing just over 2 pounds and measuring less than an inch thick. This means you can take it with you wherever you go, without feeling weighed down by a bulky and heavy laptop. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance laptop that won't break the bank, look no further than the Lapbook SE. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing notebook and take your computing experience to the next level. Don't miss out on this great deal. Get yours today.